Sound off!
Sir, I'm the letter N. I am a consonant. I make the sound. As in nickel. Ickle, nickel. As in noodle. Oodle, noodle. As in needle. Eedle, needle.
Getting a little carried away with the aren't you, letter N?
I guess so, sir. But I just can't help myself. I love the sound of Know what my favorite number is?
Let me guess.
99.
At ease, letter N. Do you do anything else but make the sound?
Well, not really, except when I follow him in him.
Him? Him who?
Letter M. When I follow letter M in the word him, I'm silent, so you don't hear me.
In some ways, that's a relief.
It doesn't seem fair. I always have to follow M in the alphabet, and then when I get stuck behind him in a word, all you hear is the M.
I know an N-word you forgot to mention.
What's that?
Nut. As in nutty as a fruitcake. Line up, letter N.